This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vivian Lugo CDPE, MBA. Just what you've been waiting for, this unit has it all. Location, total renovation and view. From the moment you walk in, you will be amazed by the spaciousness, the quality of the upgrades and the $1 million golf course view from the enclosed lanai. This is the largest unit in the complex, steps from the community pool, with a private carport with extra storage. The unit has 2 master suites, high-impact windows and sliders, tile throughout the living areas, travertine in the bathrooms, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, large window in the kitchen, tray ceilings, new AC, washer/dryer inside the unit, huge walk-in closet in master, extra storage in lanai and more. For more information, review the details below.